Good morning, students. Today we are going to study types of sets. Different types of sets. First type is singleton set. The set having only one element is called singleton set. Or the set consisting only one element is called singleton set. For example, the set of even prime numbers a equal to 2 is only one even prime number, therefore a equal to curly bracket 2. Next type, empty set or null set. The set having no element is called an empty set. For example, the set of natural numbers between 2 and 3. We cannot find the natural numbers between 2 and 3, therefore b equal to empty curly bracket or 5. Next type, finite set. The element of a set, the elements of a set are countable and limited is called finite set. Next definition of finite set, counting of elements terminate at a certain stage is called finite set. ज्या सेट मधील एलिमेंट्स काउंट करता येतात त्यांना फायनाइट सेट असे म्हणतात, किंवा ज्या सेट मधील यादी जी आहे ती लिमिटेड असते. फॉर एग्जांपल, a equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set of first 5 natural numbers. These are finite set or example of finite set. Next, infinite set. The elements of a set unlimited is called infinite set. For example, the set of whole number or next definition, counting of elements do not terminate at any stage is called infinite set. ज्या संचातील घटकांच्या यादीला शेवट नसतो त्यांना इनफायनाइट सेट म्हणतात किंवा ज्या सेट मधील एलिमेंट्स काउंट करता येत नाहीत त्यांना इनफायनाइट सेट असे म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इक्वल सेट्स. The two sets contain exactly same elements are called equal sets. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 5 and B equal to 5, 3, 2. In both sets, the same elements are there, therefore these two sets are equal sets. A is the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word T. B is the set of all y such that y is a letter in the word it. Write down by using listing method A equal to T, E, A and B equal to E, A, T. Therefore, A equal to B because set A and B contain exactly same elements. Practice set 1.2. Question number first. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. A equal to curly bracket x such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2. B is the set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n, comma x is less than 2. Solution. A equal to x such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Solve the given equation. 3x minus 1 equal to 2, 3x equal to 2 plus 1, 3x equal to 3, x equal to 1. composite number. Therefore, b equal to 1. C is a set of all x such that x belongs to n, x is less than 2. 1 is a natural number that is less than 2. From 1, 2 and 3, A equal to B equal to C means these three sets are equal sets because the elements contain exactly same. Question number 2. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. A equal to even prime numbers. Two is only one. Even prime number. Therefore, A equal to 2. B is the set of all x such that 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Solve the given equation. 7x minus 1 equal to 13. 7x equal to 13 plus 1. 7x equal to 14. X equal to 14 by 7, 2. Therefore, B equal to 2. From 1 and 2, A equal to B because the sets contain exactly same elements. Next, question number 3. Which of the followings are empty sets? Why? Number first, A is the set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. We cannot find the natural number smaller than greater than 0. Number second, b equal to curly bracket x such that x square equal to 0. X square equal to 0, taking square root both sides, x equal to 0. Therefore, b equal to 0 means it is not an empty set. Third, c equal to x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Comma x belongs to n. 5x minus 2 equal to 0. 5x equal to 0 plus 2 2. X equal to 2 by 5. It is a rational number, but x belongs to n is given. Therefore, C is an empty set. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Number first, A is the set of all x such that x is less than 10. X is a natural number. Solution: A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is finite set. Second, b equal to curly bracket y such that y is less than minus 1. Y is an integer. Y is less than minus 1 means minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, dash. It is infinite set. Number third, C equal to set of students of class from your school. Set C is a finite set. Because elements are countable. Elements of a set are countable. How many students are there in your 9th class will be countable. Number 4, set of people from your village. It is a finite set because how many people are there in your village will be countable. Next, number 5, Set of apparatus in laboratory. It is a finite set. Because how many apparatus are there in your laboratory are also countable. Set of phone numbers. It is infinite set. Because W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash. Next, set of rational numbers. It is infinite set. Because the set of rational numbers is the set of rational number is uncountable.